How would you rate the dish then? From 1 to 10.
In terms of flavour?
Yeah. Welcome back to Daniel Liverpool channel. Yes guys, I know it has been a while, but I've been super busy with work. I've got a special guest with me today.
Michael.
Today we're gonna actually try to cook some Indonesian stuff again, because yeah, long time. And I owe you that. Yeah. So we're gonna cook actually 3 different dishes for 3 different videos. The first one will be actually a welcoming video to my friend that started her new YouTube channel very recently, the cooking YouTube channel, and there is one particular dish I absolutely love in Indonesia, and that dish is the potato pancake, and I absolutely love that. It's nice, crispy, it have all traditional Indonesian vibes, so we should try cooking it. Question, have you ever tried Indonesian cuisine before?
I haven't, no.
You haven't?
Never tried it.
Right, so a quick clue for you guys.
Michael.
He's a chef, yeah? Same as I am. So, what can go wrong if you put 2 chefs in the kitchen with the dishes they never made? Let me think. Right, if you're ready to see it, follow us. We're gonna start the whole thing. Now, let me introduce you to the ingredients we're gonna use, and we're gonna start the process.
We have shallots, spring onions, seasoning, salt, garlic, egg, coriander, our potatoes and flour.
Right, let's start cooking. Let's see what we have created. What carnage we've made on the plate. Right, so we've made it. What do you think? How does that look like?
Really nice brown, golden brown.
What do you think about the sambal? Smells deadly. Yeah, exactly. Right, let's try this, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. Let's go and see what happens. I don't know if I want to try sambal. Actually quite nice.
Mm-hmm.
Not too bad.
Mm-hmm.
Not too bad like for our first attempt, no?
Mm-hmm. I like that.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try the chili, yeah? No, it's fine. No, it's actually nicer. Go gentle. My advice. It is nice. What do you think? It's not too crazy.
Yeah, not too crazy. I thought it was going to be a lot.
No, it's just the garlic that makes the smell, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Actually, yeah.
Pure fire. No, I like that.
We've got the milk on standby.
Yeah, exactly. In case if something goes sideways. Is a medic in the room, yeah? Do you know how people normally have them street food like this in Indonesia? How they eat it?
No?
With hands. Only. So yeah, next time we're cooking noodles, yeah?
Oh, yeah. What, with your hands?
That will be interesting. Noodles with hands. The soup noodles with hands, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's nice.
No, yeah, it's quite nice though. I like the sauce as well.
Yeah, I thought this sambal would be very spicy, but it's not actually. Have you ever tried anything similar to this? Thai restaurant maybe?
No. I think I've tried the flavours of the sauce, but
But not the dish itself, yeah?
not the dish itself, no.
Fight over sauce, yeah? Very simple dish. Very simple. Nothing really too complicated about it. I absolutely love the recipe. So that was a recipe from Reni, from her channel. We've made it. It looks absolutely gorgeous, tastes amazing. So well done to you, Reni. And definitely please guys, watch, subscribe and comment on Reni's channel, because otherwise we wouldn't have made that today. It's only thanks to her recipe that we could make this dish today, and I hope she will enjoy it, yeah? And enjoy your good, nice comments, yeah? Would you have that on the street food in Indonesia? What do you think?
I would, yeah. I'd pay for it in a restaurant in Liverpool.
How much do you think would you pay for this in here? Do you think people would like it here?
Yeah.
Really? Which anyway?
I'd say about £6.
6 quid?
Yeah. As an appetizer.
Yeah, maybe as a starter, no? Or a kind of side dish thing.
Yeah, side dish.
Do you know how much that costs in Indonesia?
No.
Guess. Try to translate it to pounds. So think how much this dish that you would pay 6 quid in here, yeah, would cost there. Give a shot.
What to pay for, or
Yeah, to pay for. No, to pay for in the restaurant. So restaurant here is £6. Street food Indonesia, how much? Take a shot.
£3? I don't know the currency really.
30 pence.
30 pence.
Yeah, for the portions of this size.
To buy it or
Yeah,
to buy the ingredients?
No, to buy it, to eat it,
Wow.
to consume it, yeah. 30 pence.
Wow. That's unbelievable.
You can buy that in so many stands, especially in the Padang city in the West Sumatra, because this is originally from there. So it's very unique, regional recipe. I mean, on a hot day, because they only have hot days, it's a good little snack, I think, you know. Even maybe for breakfast.
I don't know if I'd order the sauce on a hot day.
Well,
Sauce is not hot, but it's quite close.
it's not very hot.
No.
But it have a kick to it, definitely it does, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's undeniable. How would you rate the dish then? From 1 to 10?
In terms of flavour,
Yeah.
I'd say a 9.
Wow, that's really high, guys. It's really high.
Only because
Reni, well done, love.
potatoes, garlic, onions.
It's kind of a European mix,
so
isn't it?
simple,
And it's close to home as well.
So strong, powerful flavours.
That's true. It's really, really nice. Like you said, it's very simple dish to make. Only took us 5 hours now. I'm just joking. Nearly burned the house down a few times, which you guys didn't see on the video. So, you know, everything's under control. I'm not gonna show you the rest of the kitchen now because it's a no. So, would you like to go to Indonesia actually to experience this kind of food in there?
I think I'd like to travel and see what else they've got to offer. It's nice.
What would you like to learn about that country the most? What would you like to experience the most?
I don't know, mostly the food, just because I'm a chef, but...
It's always the food, guys.
I love my food.
Yeah, so do I. Get it in my belly. Okay. Anything else? What do you think about the culture? Because it's obviously very different.
It's very different. I don't know a lot about the culture, but...
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
It'd
cool.
be nice. I'm always welcoming to meet people, meet new friends.
Yeah, that's nice. That's very nice. Guys, send invitations, yeah? Somebody needs to learn about your country. And I think he loves the food so far. He gave 9, guys. 9. And that was the first Indonesian thing he ever tried in his life. I mean, how good is that? How good is that? Right, thank you very much, guys, for watching. It's been absolutely pleasure to cook for you again. And thank you for assisting and obviously for cooking all this beautiful meal for the first time in his career as well. So it's been absolute delight. So sampai jumpa lagi.